You know what is super awesome about YouTube? You don't need to have a big channel or tons of views to make a full-time living. I know that because I literally do that myself. Here is a quick look at my channel. I've got just under 2,000 subscribers, 248 videos. Here's a good example. This one right here, Best Online Course Platforms 2026 for Beginners. It only has 78 views, and I know for a fact that this video alone has generated over $700 in an affiliate commission for Kajabi. Isn't that crazy? 78 views, but it made over $700. Absolutely insane, but that's the power of YouTube. And that proves my point perfectly that you don't need a lot of views to make big money. $716.40 to be exact. All right, looking back at my channel, here's another video. Best and worst online businesses to start in 2026. You can see it has 160 views. That video generated 2 one-on-one clients. I charge $500 an hour. And they're not just clients that are gonna only have one session with me, they're gonna be ongoing clients. So that video has already generated $1,000 and it will probably generate thousands more. Now, I'll show you another example of an affiliate marketing commission. As you can see, I've got the main affiliate links that I'm using right now. I have them organized in a tab on my computer. That makes it easy for me to just check up on all my commissions, but let's see, the one recently was here. So it was here for Poppy AI, net commission, $94.80. Okay, so now I've shown you a couple examples of how I make money from 2 of the 3 income streams I talked about: affiliate marketing, one-on-one coaching, and the last one, and actually the biggest, is group coaching. I run a group coaching program with my business partner, Danny. Our program is called The Lifestyle Entrepreneur. There's people that have come into our group directly from my channel that have binge watched my content. Let me think of the easiest way I can explain this. Basically, Danny and I each have our own personal brands. So I have my YouTube channel and I have a presence on Facebook. Danny has his own social media channels. And then both of our personal brands feed into our one shared core offer together, which is our group coaching program. And our core offer is $5,000. So now we do have private clients that pay upwards of 10, 15 grand, but we can only accept a few of those a year. But yeah, for the majority of our clients, they are in the group container, and that's a $5,000 offer. I can show you what that checkout page looks like. Okay, so you can see right here, it's very simple. It's a group program. They get on-demand trainings, they get coaching from us and access to a community. And you can see right here, $49.97, basically $5,000. Basically, like, the way I see it is, if you want to get started on YouTube and you have a goal of being a full-time content creator, you can totally do that. And there's really 2 main ways to make money. Either one, you rely on what's called platform pay, where you're chasing the goal of building a big audience, having videos that go viral, and relying on being monetized by YouTube to make money on AdSense and then get brand deals and sponsors and all that kind of stuff. I call that relying on other people. Oh, you know what? Real quick, let me show you why I don't rely on platform pay. I'll show you inside of my revenue tab on YouTube Studio. Check this out. You're gonna probably laugh. Okay, so as you can see, I'm a YouTube partner. I have qualified so far for memberships, supers, and shopping. I'm not yet qualified for AdSense, but if we go to analytics and revenue, a whole lot of nothing. Let's see, let's go into the last year. I have made $2.45 from YouTube. And that came from a super right here. Thank you, Mike. This is my first and only super so far. I got $4.99. But after YouTube takes their cut, I'm only gonna get $2.45 of that. And I won't even see that $2 for a long time, because YouTube has a threshold of you have to make at least $100 before they send you your payout. The second way to make money, which is faster and you can actually make a lot more money, which is what I just showed you that I do, is relying on yourself to sell your products or services. And really the best way to get started, if you want to be totally online, is to offer coaching services. I make the most money with my group coaching and my one-on-one coaching, and the affiliate marketing that I do it kind of falls into the first category of like relying on other people because you are selling other people's products. So yeah, that's kind of like in a gray area. But as you can see, I basically made over $800 last month with affiliate marketing with very low views. And that's just supplemental income. But you can start a YouTube channel and you can start offering one-on-one coaching, and you can charge thousands of dollars for that. That's really like the easiest way to get started. And then you can scale into group coaching, which is what I do, which allows you to really maximize your time and set yourself up to be able to have like a super scalable offer. But that's a lesson for a different day. I've got free resources that you can check out, linked in the description box below if you want my help. If this video was helpful, tap that like button and then watch this video next. Bye.